Let's cut across at this point of time. My colleague Jaskira tracking the drama in the Supreme Court today, and which resulted in Subrata Roy being sent to Tihar Jail judicial custody till the March 11th. Jaskira joins us live to get us up to speed of the latest developments. Jaskira, the special bench of the Supreme Court really, put it out there of how Subrata Roy has behaved over the last 2 years.
That's correct. What the information is just coming in, as Ram Jeewlani was mentioning, that the judgment is still being written. Their order has been written, so I'm going to read out a few important excerpts from their order that actually got Subrata Roy sent for judicial custody till the 11th of March. They said non-compliance of order shakes the very foundation of the judicial system and undermines the rule of law. And it is essential to maintain the faith and confidence in the judiciary. So that clearly implies that Subrata Roy's non-compliance and repeated defiance was really taken to heart by the Supreme Court as something that...
An example being made out of him, isn't it, Jaskirat?
Absolutely. I was privy to the entire two-hour proceeding which went on inside the court, and Justice Kher was very explicit when he asked Subrata Roy, today you're doing this, tomorrow everyone else is going to start doing it. And of course he was referring to the constant disrespect to the court. A very important one more point over here is the preservation of market integrity is extremely important for economic growth, and these contemners or these people who are running Sahara are actually responsible for violating the market integrity in a financial system and a financial economic system. So that clearly implies the seriousness with which the Supreme Court looks at this particular offence, where this entire funds that were generated is concerned. Now he has been sent to judicial custody till the 11th of March. What we're given to understand is the Sahara law is very desperately tried after 4 p.m. to convince the Supreme Court to sit again tomorrow to listen to their new proposal. New proposal were in fact sent to the judges' chambers, but nothing doing. The Supreme Court was unimpressed, even in the chambers after the hearing was done, and they said, you're in custody till the 11th of March unless and until you come up with some more very convincing proposal. In that case, we are ready for an urgent mentioning, but that proposal will have to be brought forward. Tonight, Subrata Roy will be in judicial custody, will be in prison, not some guest house as he was in the past 4 days. Very pointed and very critical questions were asked of Subrata Roy on the 3 to 4 occasions that he himself rose up and answered the Supreme Court queries. The bench asked him, you are the one who pushed us into corner. How did you not expect us to come out with this? It is you who is the one who is responsible for the delay in the non-compliance of the order. When Subrata Roy's lawyers made repeated proposals about how they have 28,000 crore rupees worth of property and real estate which they are ready to liquidify and use that money to return back to SEBI and the investors, the Supreme Court said this is exactly the proposal you have been preferring for the past 2 years, but this involves a lot of bureaucratic procedure. We want something concrete, something definite, something immediate.
All right. Appreciate you joining us, Jaskirat, getting us the very latest on this particular story. We will, of course, keep coming back to you for more details on that. But